Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. This afternoon, I'm going to be doing a video of a black series wet and dry auto vacuum cleaner, and I do believe this is an old car vacuum black series, and we got this about a couple of months back. I don't think that this had ever been used yet. You can tell by the dust on the box that it had been sitting in the box ever since we got it. But this is what it looks like here on the box. It's a pretty cool looking thing. We'll go over the features of it. Cleans up liquid spills and dry debris quickly and easily. And we'll flip it over when it's back here. Alright. Made in China. And there's the serial number and whatnot. Not a whole lot of stuff that's important. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Okay. I have to run in and get my tripod for this. Here's the cleaning tools for it. That's a really cool looking color too. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Pretty cool looking thing. There's the carrying handle, and there's the fan for the suction. There is the adapter cord. Let's take a look at the inside here. Okay, so there's the hose inside, and there is the filter. Okay, and this is the instruction manual. I'm sort of in a hurry here, so I'll just put it up to the phone here to where you can just kind of go over it. I really don't have time to go over the whole entire manual, but I'll just take pictures and I'll throw it into the editor if need be. Okay. Now I've got the phone mounted on the tripod here. Hopefully the damn thing won't fall over and won't be turned into a freak show. Anyway, here is the vacuum here. I'll go ahead and get this thing put together. It really doesn't look like there's all that much to it, and here's the tools that go to it. It's a pretty neat looking thing. Bought it at the Salvation Army. I think this is like back in June, and this is the first time being used. Okay. I do believe maybe it goes in on this end. Those both ends pretty much look the same. Now I just have to figure out exactly how this is supposed to go on here. Oh, here we go. Okay. I got those other two to clamp, but this one here is being a little stubborn. Okay. Alright. We're gonna get these out of here. I'll make another demonstration of these in another video. I'm sort of in a hurry here. Okay. Go ahead and we'll hook the hose in. Alright. Okay, I guess now we will look inside the vacuum cleaner and see how much dirt is collected and see how hard of a worker it's made out to be. Okay, so this is pretty much all the trash and dirt collected by far. Yeah, I guess it's really not that bad considering it's a car vac. It burns a little bit more power, even a little bit more than as hard as it works to get a car clean. But the car was really filthy. We hadn't cleaned it in a while, so. Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope that you've enjoyed the demonstration of my little car vacuum cleaner. I will try to post more videos on this. Put in comments, like, subscribe, and more.